In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar. If you need to set up a meeting and invite several people at once, Google Calendar makes the process simple and efficient. This is especially useful when you want everyone to receive the same event details, stay updated in one place, and respond directly from their invitation. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the basic process clearly so you can create the events and send it out with confidence. To get started, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look for the Create button. This is where you begin making a new calendar event. Clicking Create opens the event window, where you can enter the key details for your meeting. From there, add your guests' email addresses in the guest section of the event. This is the part that allows multiple people to be invited to the same meeting. As you type each email address, Google Calendar may suggest contacts automatically, which can help speed things up and reduce mistakes. Make sure each address is entered correctly so everyone receives the invitation without any issues. While you're in the event window, it's a good idea to quickly review the meeting details before finishing. Even though the main task here is inviting multiple guests, this is the moment where you will typically make sure the event is set up the way you want. Taking a few extra seconds to confirm everything can help avoid confusion later, especially when several attendees are involved. Once your guest list is added and the event looks ready, click Save. Google Calendar will then process the event and prepare the invitations for your guests. In many cases, it may prompt you to confirm whether you want to send invitation emails to everyone you added. If that appears, go ahead and confirm so your guests are notified right away. After saving, your meeting will appear on your calendar and your invited guests will receive the event invitation in their inboxes. They can then accept, decline, or mark themselves as maybe, depending on their availability. This makes it easier to track who is attending and helps keep the scheduling process organized. And that's all it takes to schedule a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar, click Create, add your guests' email addresses, and save the event. It's a quick workflow, but it's an important one to know if you regularly coordinate meetings with teams, clients, or groups.